Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get verified on Twitter, or at least what are the steps to getting verified. So just from the start I'm letting you know this cannot be done from your Twitter app. You need to be logged in either in your mobile or the web version of your Twitter, just on a PC, or just go into your Google Chrome or whatever Safari or whatever browser you're using on your mobile device or computer. And once you've done that, go to the verification page. As you can see, it's described here. Go to your account on the mobile page, account information. Once you enter your password, just select account verification and follow the steps. But to do that, you must be authentic and you must be notable. Just read everything where Twitter is describing how to get verified, because if you don't cover this, there's just no point in submitting a verification application. So you need to be authentic, notable, active at least for the last 6 months. As they say, complete your account, must have profile name, profile image, active user, security, Twitter rules. Ineligible accounts are parody, news feeds, commentary, and official fan accounts. Platforms, you can just read up. Also verified status, you can see how you can lose it so you can maintain it. Categories for verification are government, news organization, companies, entertainment, sports and gaming, activists and organizers, content creators, and other influential individuals. And the list goes on. Is just a fewer material for describing each of these, how to basically apply and how you can apply. And that's pretty much it. So hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Happy verification.